What's up, guys? Just wanted to follow up with this video here of my brand new water heater install. So, a little bit of a backstory here. I had recycles piled up about 6 feet high. This was blocked, so I did not see what was going on here. Now, my pantry is actually on the other side of this wall right here. And we were getting ready for a big party. I had to take out some stuff on the bottom floor here on the inside of the pantry and noticed a lot of water. So initially, I actually thought it was a copper pipe leak, so I was about ready to start cutting away at this drywall, seeing what's back here. And I realized, shoot, I have my water heater right behind there. Let me check it out. And sure enough, all of this was just soaked, completely waterlogged, top to bottom. You can even see some water damage here that I need to fix. But ultimately what I did, of course, I had to disconnect all my inlets, outlets, exhaust vent, TMP, all of that, gas line, earthquake straps, pulled the whole unit out, and I noticed, of course, all of this had to go. Sheetrock, plywood subfloor, all of the wood structure that was built in here supporting this heavy unit had to go. We had to rebuild everything from scratch. Now, I did this job by myself along with the help of my uncle and my son, but it was challenging, but also very educational. I definitely learned a lot. So, of course, we had to rebuild everything that was water damaged. So we ripped everything out, rebuilt the entire structure as it was with 2x4s. We used brand new layer of plywood that was 3/4 inch thick, brand new sheetrock, and of course, check all this out here. This is what I'm really happy about the most. So this is vinyl flooring. Of course, it's completely waterproof. Now, my uncle just retired a couple years ago, but this floor, this vinyl actually came from USC. It was a big job that he had. I don't know exactly what building. I will have to find that out, but straight from USC, you guys, really awesome. Of course, there's not a whole lot of foot traffic here, but we did put a protective, corner here, aluminum, really nice and fitted. It's going to protect this corner here, just a lot stronger than having your standard corner with all this spackle and drywall and things like that. Really not durable. So after we put the flooring in here, we put silicone sealant all the way around here behind this. So this can literally fill up with water and it won't damage anything. It's literally going to pull up and it's going to be completely 100% waterproof. Of course, vinyl, which just makes it look a lot nicer and fitted. And once we did that, of course, we popped in the water heater, but I for sure wanted to put in a drip pan. Now, surprisingly, with California, it's not a requirement to have those. So my previous water heater did not have that, and it was just leaking straight down, soaking that subfloor, soaking all the wood, and just a lot of damage happened. So definitely a must, and I wanted to have that in there. As you can see, I took my measurements properly, but because this unit is so huge, this basically front fascia had to bend in a little bit just to fit. This serves zero purpose other than mostly visual, but just protecting all these delicate wires and things like that from getting nicked should you put anything here for storage. I'm gonna make it happy to not put anything here, of course, but of course you have your inlet, outlet, TMP valve. The brand new one was included with the unit, which was really awesome. And of course your exhaust vent up there. As you can see here, I installed fresh insulation for all the piping here, just to keep my water as hot as possible. And speaking of that, check this unit out here. This is the model number, URG 250 T6N. So this is a 50-gallon unit. The 2 stands for double insulation. They also make a URG 150. And actually, when I went to order this unit, I actually called to order the URG 150. And thankfully, the salesman that I spoke to, he's like, you know what? We actually have a URG 250. Same exact price, double the insulation. Should your area be able to fit that, highly recommend it. And of course, I have plenty of extra space here. But unfortunately, just because of that larger size, again, that drip pan, that little front fascia there had to get bent in a little bit. Now the next size up, for some reason they don't make anything in between, but it wouldn't fit in this wall. I would have to bend that too, so went this route. Now this is one thing that I still need to replace. I reused the flex line from my old water heater model, which of course is a bad idea. Now I did definitely check for leaks. Everything was leak free, everything was fine, but I will replace that for sure. And I'm also missing a drip elbow. Now I see a lot of people doing it right here. I know the proper way is to do it here, but I would have to remove this, put a T here, put that drip here, and then go upward like that. Might do that, but again, this would definitely be a lot easier I might do that. It's definitely not a requirement, but just something I want to tackle while I have all of this open and I just, freshly worked on everything here. Also, speaking with the drip pan, you can see we have this really, really cool exhaust drain pipe, and this goes straight outside and drains. So should I have a leak in the future, anything that leaks down here, it's gonna go right into this pan, straight out this drain and outside of the house, further protecting everything here. Again, this is actually not even a requirement in California, and now that I have all this, it's probably not even a necessity, but again, further protection, further protection, further protection. It's just super fitted. I definitely wanted to do this the proper way, up to my standards, and even then some. Anyways, you guys, that's pretty much it. Quick video. Just wanted to show off my brand new work here and my brand new Bradford White Eco Defender URG 250 T6N is the model number. Check it out in the description below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please put your comments, feedback on this install, anything I did wrong aside from this flex line. Let me know. I'm definitely interested in learning more about these. Again, this is the first unit that I actually worked on and installed. Super happy with the results. Now, I will also make it a habit to replace the anode rod here. This one here, it's actually right here on the outlet. You just undo that and then the anode rod will come out straight. And I'll make it a habit to replace that every maybe 5 years or so. But again, really happy with this install. Hopefully I will get 15, 20 years, maybe even more than that out of this unit with proper maintenance. Annual flushes, of course, with that drain there. But yeah, really, really stoked about this, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.